to Lakeside Parkway. I want to just start this one with a massive thank you to all the new subscribers. I never expected the Hornby DCC HM 7000 video to be the success it was, and yeah, we've got about 50 new followers, subscribers, so thank you very much. Hope you're enjoying the channel, and like I say, yeah, if you want to stick around, thank you very much. But yeah, new update for this video. Basically it's a bit of an update on the TMD. As you can see, it's come along quite nicely since. So if I start from over here, obviously I've only done up to this line here so far. So as you can see, I've got all grass down, I've weathered all the tracks, and yeah, it looks a lot better than the old one. So still a bit more to do. Obviously we've got to do everything this side, but as you can see, the whole front is done with the grass down. My old abandoned digger from the old layout is now on the layout. So yeah, I think the grass, I'll try to go a little bit less than what I normally would, so just to give it like a bit of a weed effect. But yeah, it looks alright. So that's that. And then these are obviously the scale model scenery concrete, but what I've done is I've added a layer. I know they come pre-weathered, but I've added a layer of weathering on top, and then added some weeds in the cracks. Obviously we got this part here. I need to get some more buffers, so what I want is these accurate scale ones, but for now I've just stuck them there. We've got in here, I don't know if you can see, that's all finished off. So yeah, if I zoom out and show you the whole overview of it, it looks a lot better. So the next project is obviously I want to get some kind of yard built here. So obviously this is going to be like the main TMD yard, but this is going to be a bit more like a car park for the offices and the signal box. So that's the next job. Finish up here, and then I want to carry it on and do this area around here. And obviously I still need to ballast the main tracks this side, which I probably should have done before I did this, but got carried away. Yeah, like I say, a few bits of detail that I've added to it is these scale model sceneries. So basically basically everything I've used is either scale model scenery or West Hill Wagon Works, and yeah, I think it's made quite a good thing. I've done a light weathering on this, basically stored 66. As you can see, I've knocked that over. There we go. We've got an engine being delivered here. Got some old jacks outside. Yeah, yeah, there'll be a part 3 of 4 of this. This is part 3, isn't it? Part 4 of this, when I add lights, but I need to sort out the wiring first underneath the layout, so that might be later in the year, to be honest. I need to have a word with Kite's Lights about some wiring bits for that. But yeah, as you can see, it's come along nicely. I'm a lot happier with this one than the first layout of the TMD. So yeah, if you enjoyed it, make sure you leave a like and a comment. Thanks for watching, and thank you to all the new subscribers and all the new people who are watching. Hope you're enjoying it. See you in the next one.